Hi children, welcome to Annie's Learniverse tutorial.
The Little Talking Bee. Once upon a time in a lush green meadow, there lived a curious little bee named Bella. Bella wasn't like the other bees, she could talk to humans. But she had one strict rule: she would only speak to someone kind and gentle. One sunny day, Bella buzzed into a beautiful garden and saw a farmer named Ramesh resting under a tree. Ramesh was known for his hard work, but he was often harsh and grumpy. Bella noticed that his crops were drying out because he refused to listen to others' advice about watering them. Feeling sorry for him, Bella decided to help. She landed on his shoulder and softly said, "Hello, Ramesh." Startled, Ramesh swatted at his shoulder, but Bella quickly dodged. "Who's there?" he asked, looking around in confusion. "It's me, Bella the bee," she said, hovering in front of him. "I want to help you." Ramesh frowned. "How can a tiny bee like you help me?" "Go away." Bella patiently replied, "If you trust me and listen, I can tell you how to save your crops." Although skeptical, Ramesh decided to give her a chance. Bella explained how watering the crops early in the morning and using natural compost would make them thrive. She also reminded him to be gentle with nature, as every creature played a role in the ecosystem. Ramesh followed Bella's advice, and soon his crops flourished. Over time, he became kinder and more patient, realizing the value of listening and working in harmony with nature. One day, Bella visited him again. "Thank you for trusting me, Ramesh," she said. "Remember, kindness and humility can open doors to wisdom." Ramesh smiled and replied, "Thank you, Bella. You've taught me a lesson I'll never forget." Moral of the story: always be kind and open to advice, no matter where it comes from. Even the smallest voices can bring great wisdom.